Hello folks, I get a lot of calls from people who want to know if they can hide their criminal record. And for many of them, it's very possible, and I always advise them to do it. If you want to clear your records so no one will ever know you ever got arrested, you have to file what's called an expunction. In this video, I explain why it helps and how to do it. Hello folks, I'm Andrew Williams, and this is another edition of the Fedora Lawyer. I'm a board-certified criminal defense attorney with 28 years of trial practice behind me. On this channel, I share my years of experience with you to give you a better understanding of the law. Now, you may think that just because you got your case dismissed, your record is clear. Not correct. When a case is dismissed, you don't have a conviction and there's no written judgment, but there is still a record that you got arrested, and it will show exactly what you got arrested for. And that's the reason you need to file an expunction. Filing a petition for expunction is the only way to clear your record so that no future employer, or anyone else for that matter, will ever know you were ever arrested. Once your records are expunged, you can even deny that you were ever arrested in the first place. And you don't have to disclose it to anyone, not on an employment application or a rental application or anywhere else. And the best part is, when they do a criminal background check, they won't find anything. Absolutely clear. But without an expunction, any future employer who does a background check will know you've been arrested, and for what? And guess what? That employer is going to ask you about it. And this is especially bad if it's an arrest for theft. You don't want to be in the position of explaining to a potential employer that you got arrested for theft sometime in the past. Worse yet, if an employer sees that you were arrested for theft, you may not even get to the interview stage at all. So, if you've been job hunting and filling out applications and not getting any callbacks, that might be the reason why. Also, if you were ever arrested in the past, you should always check your background to see if there's anything there that you can get rid of with an expunction. Once your records are expunged, nothing is ever going to show up. Now, the expunction process goes something like this. You start expunging your records by filing a petition for expunction in the district court in the county where you got arrested. You have to notify all the agencies who may have any documents or records related to your arrest. If you forget to list any agency, that agency is not obligated to destroy any records of your arrest, and they'll maintain them forever. After the petition is filed, a hearing is scheduled to determine if you really are eligible to have your expunction. If you succeed at the hearing, then the judge signs an order granting your expunction. Then this order gets sent out to all the agencies listed in the petition, ordering them to destroy all the records of your arrest. That's why you must be very careful to list all the agencies that might have any record of your arrest. The list should include the jail where you were taken when you got arrested, the arresting agency, pretrial services, the district clerk, and any other agency that might have any records of your arrest. Gotta list them all. It's very important to list all of them, and a good criminal lawyer will know how to do it and which agencies to list. You shouldn't try to do this on your own because you may not know who to list, and if you leave anyone off the list, they won't be ordered to destroy any of their records. That's why it's important to list all the correct agencies. You want to make sure all the records of your arrest are gone forever, and you can only file an expunction once. There are no do-overs, so if you don't get it right the first time, tough luck. Okay, well that's the why and how of getting rid of your prior arrest records. I hope this helps you understand how important it is to clear your records and get rid of all those arrest records. And I hope you understand that just getting your case dismissed is not enough. And it's well worth the money to get it done and get it done right the first time. You never know, your future might depend on it. All right, well that's all I have for now. If this video was helpful, hit the like button for me. If not, tell me that too so I can make whatever changes we need to make. I plan on making more videos on all sorts of legal topics in the future. So if you like getting videos like this, feel free to subscribe as well. You can also leave me a comment if you want me to cover a particular topic for you. For more information about me, you can visit my website at andrewwilliamslaw.com. For now, this is the Fedora Lawyer signing off.